Hello, my name is Gianluca Zanna and I welcome you to self-defense-hypnosis.com. The program I'm going to show you today, it is about KravMaga principles or KravMaga. I'm not just a certified clinical hypnotherapist, but also I am a black belt KravMaga certified in Israel. I really wanted to create a program where your subconscious mind can keep practicing the principles of KravMaga, and more important, how to really become part of it. Yes, you need to have training with a professional instructor. You still need to have to learn the techniques, the strikes, the different drills, combinations. That's all something you have to go through. But these KravMaga principles, self-defense hypnotic program, it is about to start to really become one thing together with the core principles of KravMaga. You will see through when you get into your subconscious mind, there are things that you don't need to think anymore. Every time you think can be 1 second away too late. So the idea is to create instead a complete immediate reaction to any type of situation, and more important, to implement every type of basic fundamental concept from KravMaga. From the idea that every time I block, I also strike. The idea that before I even fight, I always want to be completely in control of my surroundings with situational awareness. The idea that I'm always immediately giving an immediate reaction. I'm not going to think or freeze. The idea to get out or fight and never freeze. And of course, also all the other different principles are really to use your explosiveness, your energy, how to always look for the right targets when you fight an opponent, and do not be intimidated by the sides. But if you have to fight, at that point, your mindset, your body, and more important, your subconscious mind will direct you exactly to the striking points that you have to get to win that fight. So feel free to experiment and download this program, KravMaga Principles, directly from the website, self-defense-hypnosis.com. My name is Gianluca Zanna. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me directly.